Friends, when it comes to the divisibility rules, I am telling you, divisibility rules are very important. Okay, they are very important in finding the LCM or HCF, whatever it may be. Right? That's why every student should know about these divisibility rules. If you know divisibility rules, then only it is easy to find out the further calculations. Okay, my dear friends. So let us see the divisibility rules first. So first we will discuss what is the divisibility rule for 2. What is divisibility rule for 2? As I already told you, all even numbers are divisible by 2 because, right, they are all multiples of 2. All the multiples of 2 can be divided by 2. Yes or no? So what is the divisibility rule by 2? Right? Okay, here you can say like this also. The numbers which are ending in 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Or okay, all these numbers can be divisible by 2. So any number which ends in 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Any number which ends in 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 and 8 can be divisible by 2. Can be divisible by 2. Yes or no? Right? Any number which ends in 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 can be divisible by 2. Example you can take. Okay, let us take an example. I want to check whether 372. Okay, not 372, let us check some other number. 378. I want to check whether this is divisible by 2 or not. What is the last digit? 8. Therefore, you can directly say that, okay, so this is divisible by 2. Okay, and suppose if it is 377. So what is the last digit? 7. That is ones place or units place. 7. 7 is not a even number or not included in this list. Therefore, it is not divisible by 2. As simple as like that. Okay, divisibility rule is very easy. Anybody can easily understand. Now let us discuss about divisibility rule for 3. What is divisibility rule for 3? Any number whose digital sum is a multiple of 3, then it is divided by 3. Okay, I repeat. Suppose if the sum of digits of a number is divided by 3, is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. Then the number is divisible by 3. I repeat. What is the divisibility rule for 3? Any number, okay, if the sum of the digits of the number is divisible by 3, then the given number is divisible by 3. Let us take an example. Okay, so I want to check whether 3, 2, 4, 5, okay, 3, 2, 4, okay, let us take an example. Okay, I want to check whether 3, 2, 4, 5, 1, okay, is it divisible by 3 or not? Is 3, 2, 4, 5, 1 divisible by 3? This is the question. How to check? Just go for the sum of the digits in the number. What are the digits in the number? 3, 2, 4, 5, 1. Okay, just add the digits. 3 plus 2 plus 4 plus 5 plus 1. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. Okay, 9 plus 5, 14. 14 plus 1, 15. So, 15. Is 15 divisible by 3? Or is 15 coming in the 3 table? Yes. This 15 is easily divisible by 3. Right? Therefore, 3, 2, 4, 5, 1 is also divisible by 3. Is also divisible by 3. If it is not, then that number is not divisible by 3. Simple. I repeat. I want to check whether 32,451 is divisible by 3 or not. 32,451. So what I have to do? I have to check whether the sum of the digits in the number is a 3 multiple or not. Okay, so 3 plus 2, 2 plus, okay, 3 plus 2 plus 4 plus 5 plus 1. 3 to 5, 5 4 9, 9 5 14, 14 plus 1 15. Is 15 coming in 3 table? Yes, it will come. Therefore, 15, okay, since 15 is a 3 multiple, okay, the entire number is divisible by 3. If it is not, then it cannot be divisible. Okay, my dear friends? So like that. Now let us see the divisibility rules of 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay. Friends, now let us discuss what is the divisibility rule for 4. Right? As we know, divisibility rule for 4 is very easy. Whenever in a number, if the last two digits, that is the tens place as well as ones place together, if the last two digits of a number, okay, is a 4 multiple, or if the last two digits of a number is divisible by 4, then the entire number is divisible by 4. Okay, I repeat, if the last two digits, of a number, okay, is divisible by 4, then the number is divisible by 4. Okay, so let us take an example. Right? I want to check, is 37462 is 37,462 divisible by 4 or not? Divisible by 4, that is the question. Now see here, in 37,462, what are the last two digits? 62, right? If you check, is 62 divisible by 4? No, it is not divisible by 4, right? If you check, okay, you can check if you want. So if you check 62, right, 4 ones 4, right, 2 remainder, 22, 4 5s 20, right, again 2 remainder, that's it. Finally we got a remainder 2 which is not divisible by 4. Therefore, okay, this 62 is not divisible by, this 62, okay, is not divisible by 4, right? Therefore, 37,462 is, okay, also not divisible by 4. Not divisible by 4. As simple as like that. When the last two digits are not divisible, that's it. It is not divisible by 4. If it is divisible, then it is. Right? Let us take this another example also. Okay. So, which example we can take? Right. Is 76380, okay, divisible by 4. Is it divisible by 4? I am taking an example. Okay, see here, last two digits. What are last two digits? 80. Is 80 divisible by 4? Yes, 80 is divisible by 4. Okay, so 420 times it goes, right? Therefore, 76,380 is also divisible by 4. Is also divisible by 4. Okay, my dear friends. So this is what divisibility rule for 4. Okay. Next, when it comes to divisibility rule for 5 and 6, they are very easy. Okay. So let us discuss now. Okay. So, my dear friends, what is divisibility rule for 5? Almost everyone knows this, right? Divisibility rule for 5 is whenever the last digit is either 0 or 5, then that number is divisible by 5. Okay? So, if the last digit is either 0 or 5, then the given number is divisible by 5. Then given number is divisible by 5. Okay, my dear friends? Example. You can easily check. Suppose 3, 7, 5. 370. Okay, let's take 4375. Is it divisible by 5? Yes, because the last digit is 5. Therefore, this number is easily divisible by 5. Okay, and suppose 32603. Is this divisible by 5? No, because the last digit is 3. This is not divisible by 5. Okay, my dear friends. Next. So, what is the next rule? Rule for 6. So, what is the divisibility rule for 6? Divisibility rule for 6 is very simple. If any number, if they satisfy the divisibility rules of 2 and 3, okay, then that number is divisible by 6. I repeat, if a number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then the given number is divisible by 6. That means we have to check both the rules of 2 and 3 as well here, right? Because 6 is what? 6 is a combination of product of two prime numbers, 2 and 3. That's why we are checking both the divisibility rules, 2 and as well as 3 for that number. Okay, let us take an example. First, rule for 6. If a number is divisible by 2 and 3, both, it is compulsory, 2 and 3, right? Then the given number is divisible by 6. The given number is divisible by 6. Divisible by 6. Okay, my dear friends. Now let us take an example. I want to check, right? So 4375. Okay. 3, not 3. Let us take some 6. Okay. So 43,756. Is it divisible by 6 or not? I have to check. Okay. How will you check? Now, first check for rule 2 as well as rule 3. Check for rule for 2 and rule for 3. First, is it divisible by 2? Yes, because the last digit is 6. Whenever the units place is an even digit, then it is obviously divisible by 2. Yes. Now, is it divisible by 3? So what we have to do? We have to do the sum of the digits. 4 plus 3, 7. 7, 7, 14. 14 plus 5, 19. 19 plus 6, 25. Is 25 a multiple of 3, my dear friends? No, it is not. Right? Therefore, it is not divisible by 3. See, when a number, if it is divisible by 2 and it is not divisible by 3, okay, it is not divisible by 6 as well. Because I told you, okay, both should be satisfied. When a number you are checking for divisibility rule for 6, it should be divisible by both 2 as well as 3. Right? Otherwise, it is not divisible by 6. So here, it is not divisible by 3 means, so it is also not divisible by 6. Okay, so let us take one more example, right? So 4375. Okay. Okay. 43,752. I want to check whether this is divisible by 6 or not. So check for both the rules. Rule for 2 as well as 3. Rule 2 and rule 3. First of all, is it divisible by 2? Yes, because the last digit is 2, an even digit. And what about 3? Check the sum of the digits. 4 plus 3, 7. 7, 7, 14. 14, 5, 19. 19 plus 2, 21. 21, is it a 3 multiple or not? Yes, it is a 3 multiple. Therefore, it is also divisible by 3. Here, this number is divisible by both 2 and 3. Therefore, it is also divisible by 6. Therefore, this number is divisible by 6. Okay, my dear friends? So that's how. Okay, so this is rule for 5 and rule for 6. Now let us enter into the next most interesting divisibility rule, that is rule for 7. Most of the cases, nowadays a few techniques out there for divisibility rule for 7 before the people are ignored about it. But now, yes, I am going to tell you the easy way to check the divisibility rule of 7. Okay, so let's move on.